What's this rod holding business? Hey, you don't want to get filmed with getting someone holding your rod.
That rod.
Smoking. Back over to this one over here. Squeeze. Turn a bit on this one. Oh yeah, showing a bit of load there. Good work, man. Use your rod, slow lift up, and then just you got to get into the timing of it. Slow lift up, lift a bit higher, wind down fast. Slide your left hand back, push the reel against your wrist.
Hey, making that look easy.
Yeah, I think he's gonna balance it out a bit.
He's being soon.
Wind in, wind faster, your way. Good work, man. Yep. Swimming up with you, swim, wind. I'll go back to high speed, mate. Then we can go back to high speed.
Yep. Ready?
Yeah, click high speed. That's it. Not working. Okay. I'll go back to this side for a little while.
Facial expressions.
Alright, engine's going, so try to keep him that way. Must be colour close here now. Yep, colour down there.
Colour?
Yeah, he's smashed it.
They win, yep.
Bring it.
Oh, yeah.
Nice fish, man.
Yahoo!
Gonna hold him up?
There you go!
Hang on, I'll just change the memory card.